I'm pretty sure all of you have used ChatGPT, or maybe you're even using it right now on your phone. So I don't need to convince you of the power of generative AI. There's just one big problem. ChatGPT and most models were not built for financial institutions. They're very bad at math, they're not really good at reading tables, and they are not compliant or secure enough. That's why for the past 2 years, so longer than ChatGPT was launched, we've been working on open source technology to optimize this powerful generative AI technology for the financial industry. We are fine-tuning our own models on financial data. We're training our own retrieval models to really capture the most important financial information. And we are making everything secure for the customers to use it, even on their premise. So we wanted to put this technology into a product to make it useful, and we've built the AI assistant for financial advisors who are dealing with complex tasks. So this includes corporate banking advisors, institutional client advisors, and private banks. Let me introduce you to our software Codex. So my name is Thomas Kaiser. I'm the CEO of Kodex AI. But for this demo, I would like to pretend that I work as an advisor at a small corporate bank called Bridgewater. So let's assume I have a meeting with my customer, Siemens Energy. In order to prepare for this meeting, I open Codex Assist, select my customer, so in this case, Siemens Energy, and our software now goes directly to the website and also takes all financial documents. So for example, past annual report, earning calls, and all this data, and makes it available to me automatically. So now, if I want to prepare for this meeting, I can ask a question like, what is the current liabilities of Siemens Energy? And Codex AI goes through their filings and gives me the example. Gives me an overview of their liabilities. Obviously, it's not perfect, so maybe I want to check the sources. And here it goes. It highlights, even in this case, the whole document, but shows me the tables and the text part on a paragraph level where this information was retrieved. Now, as a next step, I can connect it also with my internal data. So I want to make them an offer, maybe a long-term loan. What long-term loans can I offer? And the software looks, on the one hand, still on the data provided by the company, but also on my internal product portfolio to match those two together. And thanks to this preparation, the meeting with the client goes really well, and they tell me that they currently have an open RFP that I can apply to. So I take all of this information and work that I've already done and export it to Codex Draft. This is our document generating tool, where I can preset different formats and then with the help of AI, automatically draft these documents. So in this scenario, we want an RFP response. I will upload the RFP. And because I'm coming from Codex Assist, already the information of the client is preloaded. So I have information, I have the client name, I get the information from their website, and the annual report is already here. So all the answers are really tailored to my customer. As a next step, to upload it, as a next step, I can select some more internal data. So maybe the tool is already preloaded with information about my company, but maybe I want to use some good examples from a previous RFP. For example, here from this energy company, an RFP that we won. So I can upload this individually for this document and then go into the document creation mode. And what the AI does here is that it understands the structure and split up the whole RFP into separate questions. And now I can decide either to go step by step. So let's assume I want the first one manually, and the AI fills out the information thanks to the documents I provided before. I can then tweak the text a little bit. So in this case, I want to make it shorter because it feels a bit lengthy. I wait a few seconds, and a new draft is done. If I'm happy, I accept it. Or, because the document in this case is really long, and RFP reports can be very long as well, I want to click autofill, and the AI gives me a first draft of the whole document within a few seconds, instead of me manually going through it. So voila, everything is filled out. And as a next step, I can go export this file right now into either Word or PDF, and can share it with my colleagues. And with this technology, we're helping client-facing teams not only to be more customer-centric, because everything they write is really tailored to the customers, but also more efficient, which leaves them at the end of the day more time to spend with their customers. My name is Thomas Kaiser. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kodex AI, and you can either meet me at the booth or add me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.